What link does this song have to the Brady Bunch? Well, stick around because I'm about to reveal all. Hey there, budding Campfire guitar heroes, it's Dean again, bringing you those forgotten songs we all love to remember, where in recent weeks I've brought you these weird, wonderful and classic tunes. But today I bring you this truly beautiful song from the Bee Gees. Look, it's a song I kind of grew up with being a kid in the 70s, but I fell in love with this song when it opened for that great movie, The Book of Ely with Denzel Washington. When I heard it sung then, that song had me at hello, and that version was sung by Al Green. It's such a soulful, emotional version of the song, and in truth, it's my favourite version. But today I'm going to show you how to play this song, and I'm going to give you the easy-ish version. I've transposed it away from the original key of E, moving it to the key of D to make it a little bit easier on the fingers, and it only has a couple of bar chords. Nothing better than being back in the great outdoors by a campfire. Let's get straight into this. Now before we start, I recommend you download the free song sheet from a Patreon page, all the details below. Got the chords, the lyrics, everything you need to practice this song. Okay, as I said, the original key for this song is the key of E, but we're going to play it in the key of D. No capo required this week. Tempo, slow, medium. Look, it varies depending on. Al Green played it pretty slow, the Bee Gees a little bit quicker, but it's about a slow, medium pace. Right, let's show you the chords. Don't forget I'm a left-handed guitarist playing on a right-hand strung guitar, so all the chord patterns may appear upside down to you. Don't let that worry you, because I'm going to put the finger patterns on the screen there and you can play along. Okay, like all Bee Gees songs, there's a lot of pretty cool chord progressions. Let's get into it now. It's got a D, it's got a D major 7, an E minor, an F sharp 7, a B minor, an E7, an A7, a G, you can do a bar chord G or do the open chord G, doesn't matter, and a G flat minor. So there's quite a few there, but trust me, this song is worth learning, so get stuck into it and practice those chords. Well, I'll do the intro to the verse, and I actually do it with a bit of arpeggio picking, which is the Al Green version, as I said. The best thing to do is I'll just demonstrate it for you now, starting on the D. Think of younger days when living my life was everything man could want to do. I could never see tomorrow. I was never told about the sorrow. Then it goes straight into the chorus, which I'll show you next. Hey folks, I'm a really small channel trying to grow on YouTube. I've just hit my 500 subscriber milestone and I want to get to the 1,000 subscribers next. So if you got any value out of this lesson, please press the button below, hit subscribe, give me a like. Totally appreciate it, thank you. Chorus time starts on the D major 7. And how can you mend a broken heart? How can you stop the rain from falling down? How can you stop the sun from shining? What makes the world go round? Repeat. How can you mend this broken man? How can a loser ever win? Please help me mend my broken heart and let me live again. And then Al Green breaks into a real soulful interlude, which is basically repeating the chorus but just doing the la la la's. So let's have a go now. All of them. La 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 la. Right, let's just break that down for you what I did then. The introduction, as I said, starts on the D. So the arpeggio picking is just the 4 skinny strings, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. To the D major 7. To the E minor. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Back to the D. And then you can do the rest of the verse, the chords are shown up there. Then it breaks into the chorus, and that's when you just start the strum. And the strum is just a nice, gentle down strumming action, with the pattern is like this. Okay, so what am I doing there? You can hear it. Down, 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 block. Down, 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 block. Down, 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 block. So believe it or not, folks, that is the entire song there. It's all about the feel of the song and the delivery of it, which I'm about to show you now in my partial playthrough.